So, dear friends, welcome. So, now this is topic 3.1.4. So, part of 3.1. So, wherein we will learn all the problems related to manufacturing business, like candidates should understanding of how to prepare manufacturing account to differentiate between direct and indirect expenses and to include factory profit. So, this is very crucial and very technical part in this calculation of factory profit and how to prepare for a manufacturing business is statement of profit or loss and a statement of financial position, how to account for manufacturing profit and elimination of unrealized profit. So this is very important. So this is another important adjustment which is very critical, which we will be discussing here. And from unsold inventory, the reasons why a business may account for manufacturing profits. So this is very important topic as far as A level is concerned. Lot of questions regularly questions are being asked in this on this particular topic, and you have to be very strong in this. Like you have to understand very technical part so that to secure better grades.